Check out these baobabs. Oh, like my favorite tree ever. Just wish people wouldn't write on them. Anyway, there's the Indian Ocean. As beautiful as ever. It doesn't matter what the weather's like. It is just, oh, gorgeous. So, there's a guy he's a fisherman. I think he dives for lobsters. He dives for something. And he's asked me a couple times for if I have an extra mask. And so I just went back and I found one. I'm gonna, mine is broken. I didn't figure out how to fix it. But his is way, 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 way bad. Where is he? Okay, there he is. Way up in the distance. Okay. Lakini.
Yes.
Lakini. Hamna mazuri.
Basi nitatengeneza.
Yeah?
Yes.
Yes?
Asante sana, nitatengeneza.
Mazuri? Okay. Wapi, wewe.
Mimi pia mbaya sana, unaona?
Oh, he's mbaya sana.
Mbaya sana.
Ah.
Humu nimeweka dawa.
Dawa?
Dawa. Super glue.
Super glue?
Yeah. Nagandisha.
Super glue na
Yes,
inner
yes.
tube, bicycle.
Bicycle.
Lakini this Missouri?
Hii mzuri.
Okay.
Hii mzuri.
But this is hamna Missouri. Hamna.
Mbaya sana.
Yeah, mbaya sana.
Okay.
Okay, sawa.
Asante sana.
Okay.
Asante sana. Yes.
I didn't realize the state of the one that he had. I mean, you saw that. I mean, it would have been thrown away 10 years ago. And when I went back to the States in April, I had this memory of going to a thrift shop once before and finding all kinds of masks. And could I find any this time? No. And unfortunately, my budget doesn't extend for buying new swimming masks for guys on the beach. So, there we go. And here we are. In a beautiful bay. Signing off from Tanga, Tanzania.